Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, Windows cannot find regedit.exe. Make sure you type name correctly and then try. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type sfc/scan now. Type exit to command prompt. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. dism.exe space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. Type exit to command prompt. Restart your system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.